that you can hear me. Plurality with elimination. I'm still dealing with first place votes.
D. My mama. 32. What happened?
Oh no, somebody went down Mr. Miller's class. Flipping out. Majority is what we want here. So for a majority, I need 19 votes. Nobody has a majority using plurality, so we eliminate B. We eliminate the lowest candidate. Once we eliminate B, we rewrite your preference schedule without it. Do plurality method all over again. Nobody hits 19, so we now eliminate C. C's votes then go to D, and D wins with 23. And this one, we need 51 votes for a majority. Nobody has it, so we eliminate D first. Then we eliminate C, and C's votes go to B, and B wins with 52. So, majority of votes. How many total votes do we have in this election? 100. Divided by 2, which means
50.
I need 51. Okay. So, right now, Adidas has how many?
30.
30. Nike.
32.
Reebok.
18.
Asics.
14.
And Mizuno.
6.
Well, I wear Mizuno before Ace.
Really?
Yeah, what is that? I lied.
Okay. Does anybody hit the majority yet?
Nah.
Not yet.
No. So we get rid of
Mizuno.
Mizuno.
32.
Okay. Mizuno loses first place votes here. So where do those 6 go to?
That's 6.
So I add 6 here, which gives them 20. Okay. Does anybody hit 51 yet?
No.
No. Who's going bye-bye now?
Reebok.
Reebok.
I would Reebok before Ace.
Reebok loses first place status here. Where do those 18 go to then? Nike. That gives them 50. Okay. So now we get rid of Asics, Asics, however you pronounce it. I don't know. Okay. So
14.
they lose this here. So these 14 are going to
Adidas.
Adidas. Okay. Here, 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 here. They lose this 6. And those 6 go to Nike. So we're at 44 here for Adidas and 56 for Nike. Who's my winner?
Nike.
Nike. Did you mess up and still got it right? Yeah.
32.
Questions? Okay. The last little bit we need to cover then. Straw poll versus official election. Okay, a straw poll is just us going around and trying to get a feel for what everybody's wanting to vote for. It's like a pre-election. Okay, you may not get everybody to vote in the pre-election, but it's just a prediction of who you think is going to win. Okay, so if we do the whole plurality with elimination votes for these, how many votes do I need to have a majority? 22, 29 total. 15. Okay. We need 15 votes to win. Right now, on the straw poll, A has
7. I mean,
11.
11, B has 8, and C has
10.
100.
Okay. Who do I get rid of?
8.
B. Where are B's points going to?
6.
C. Okay. So C should win, right? That should be an 18. Okay. C should be my winner, according to this. Okay. Now we go through and we're doing the official election. And things have changed. Okay. This column has flip-flopped and now is CAB. Okay. So C's starting off in a better position than they did over there, correct? Okay, they actually have 14 votes to start with. Okay, so A has 7 right now, B has 8, and C has 14. Well, C's in a better off position than they were. Who am I getting rid of now, though? A. What happens?
The vote's gonna be.
These votes go to B, which gives them 15, which makes them the actual winner. Okay. This is a problem, and this falls into another criterion, your monotonicity criterion, which says if candidate X is a winner of an election and in a re-election, so C won, and in the re-election, they actually start off in a better spot than they were. So the ballots are changed that X and only X.
What?
Okay. So what this is saying is C has won in the pre-election. When we actually tally up the real votes, they're actually getting more of an advantage because they're starting off at a better standpoint. But now they lose. Okay, that's all this is saying. Do not get confused with the way they word it. So if you start off with somebody that wins, you give them a better advantage, and then they end up losing at the end, then this is violated. Okay. The last thing you need to squeeze somewhere on there, plurality with elimination. I shorthanded plurality with elim. Okay. This satisfies the majority criterion. Okay. This satisfies the majority criterion. Well, that makes sense. What are we looking for? Majority. However, this violates the Condorcet criterion, and it also violates the monotonicity. It violates Condorcet as well as monotonicity. You have 3 problems for homework tonight. Numbers 29, 31, and 34 from that first homework assignment sheet that I gave you, which is why I told you not to lose it. Okay, if you lost it, it is shared with you in that folder on Google Drive. 29.